Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and I was able to make a gorgeous statement on my wall here thanks to this wallpaper by Yun-aeon. This wallpaper has a gorgeous black wood grain look to it, and it is just so elegant on my wall, especially with the black and white gold theme that I had going on in this corner. One thing I loved about this wallpaper while installing it was that you were able to readjust it, peel it off, and re-stick it, and it still adhered to the wall really nicely. That was important for me because my walls are a little wonky here. They're not perfectly straight. So in order for us to get it on nice and straight, we sometimes had to peel it off and kind of put it back on. And so it worked great for that. There is a lot of wiggle room when using this wallpaper. You don't have to get it perfectly right the first time you lay it. Another thing I loved about this is that it is washable. So because we were kind of in a construction zone when putting this up, there was dust everywhere and I was easily able to wash it off with a damp cloth. Nothing stuck to it permanently. I'm thrilled with the quality and ease of use of this wallpaper. I would definitely recommend it. It's going to elevate any space you put it in, and that's my point of view.